Breathing in, there is awareness of breathing in. Breathing out, there is awareness of breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. In, out. The 9 important elements. Awareness, Part 1. Observational awareness. As any of us begin applying what we have understood and learned regarding our suffering into everyday life, it is important to maintain and even strengthen one's awareness towards the thoughts, feelings, or beliefs and sensations that arise within us, whether negative or positive, how others react and possibly respond to the behaviors we ultimately exhibit, and, perhaps most importantly, how we might further react to their reactivity towards them as well as towards ourselves. Two steps forward, one step back. Be quite aware how each of us will likely experience and perhaps further suffer from inevitable and invariable relapses, reacting to situations and others with all too familiar fear, anger, and/or sadness as we progress along our journey. However, despite our feelings through such apparent setbacks, it is important to remain committed to the work. Instead, see such events as continuing education opportunities or even on-the-job training, knowing that each incident hones our skills while helps us to resolve our suffering. Phases and plateaus. Invariably, each one of us embarking on a resolution journey is going to experience phases where we seem to be making little, if any, progress, because we keep slipping back into old habits, or perhaps we have reached a plateau and venturing any further along seems pointless. Or we feel so much better and believe we are all done. Rest assured, however, the body and mind will ultimately proceed at their own individual and collective pace. We must honor and respect them through sometimes painstaking patience, lest we make ourselves suffer that much more. Testing. Just when any of us might think we have fully resolved some painful or traumatic issue from the past, lo and behold, life will invariably and even repeatedly put us to the test by manifesting similar situations to those we believe have been resolved to help us see whether we insufferably react, as we used to, or we respond wholeheartedly different.